Hello, welcome to Baking with Brooke, and I am Brooke Jones, and today we will be making breast cancer cupcakes. But you want to preheat your oven at 350, and your ingredients that you will need is vanilla cake mix, chocolate cake mix, white chocolate chips, and icing. You can do pink or white, and eggs, and oil, and I think that's all. And then your equipment that you need is like spoons, silverware, and measuring cups, and baking pans, or cupcake pans, and piping bags. And that's all that you will need. And let's get started. So you're going to take your vanilla cake mix and open it. Put it in there. And then what you need is 1 1/4 cups of water. So I'm going to go to the sink over here and put in that. 1 1/4. Come back over here. Alright, and since that's out of the way, you will need 1/3 of oil. So here's your 1/3 cup. Here's the oil. Put that into it. And then you'll need 3 eggs. One, 2, and 3. And then you're going to take your spoon and start mixing it. Mixing it up. And then just keep mixing it. Make sure you get all the clumps out. And then put that aside. And we're going to make our chocolate cake now. Dump that in the bowl. Smells good, actually. And we're going to do the same thing, 1 1/4 of water. So we're going to go back over to the sink. Putting in 1. 1/4. Come back over. And then put the oil. And then get your 3 eggs. 2, and 3. So now we can move that aside with this 2. And now you're going to mix it up. Make sure you get all the clumps out. Keep stirring. And then after when you get done doing this, you're going to add the white chocolate chips to both batters. You can do about a cup or you can half it. Oh, our oven must be preheated. So I'll probably half it. Just a minute. So just put it in here, and put a cup in there. And there. A little more in there. All gone. And then set that aside, and you're going to mix it up. That's good. Switch back over. It smells good. And then you're going to get your baking pans. I have 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to do the big ones first. You're going to put them in here. Guess it don't matter what color it is. Oh. Then you put them in all there. So when you get done with that, you are going to put your batter in there. And for that you can use a spoon, or you can use like an ice cream scoop. It's totally up to you. And you just take a spoonful. And dip it in there. I guess I'm going to have to do multiple times. You can fill it up about halfway. Then that's for the chocolate. And I'm going to have help just because I'm going a little slow. And my help will be Vanessa Jones, my mother. And she'll be filling up with chocolate.
Whoa, everybody.
She'll be washing her hands. Alright, you can do chocolate for this side, then vanilla for this side, and we'll switch when we get done.
Okay. It does smell good. How much should I put in there?
About halfway.
So should I do one more?
Mm-hmm. You can go back and add more if you have extra batter if you like. Just add a little more to them. We're going to do chocolate for the other three.
Okay. So I can put my chocolate and my vanilla in the same pan to bake them?
Yes.
Okay.
Just ask. We'll have those.
I can eat the batter.
Can you tell the audience what you meant by making both vanilla and chocolate cookies? Please.
Oh, I meant by using the same pan, like you put some vanilla in here and then some chocolate on this side.
Okay. I thought you meant, some people maybe thought you meant
Mixing it. Oh, okay.
Together.
Sorry. Gotcha.
So I just wanted to clarify that because.
Yeah. Is that better?
Yeah. All right. Tell me when you're ready to switch.
Alright. Messy. Was that good?
Yep.
Okay.
And here's this one. Hold it so I can put them. And then.
Or am I supposed to put the chocolate in this one?
I didn't mean to. Sorry, my bad. My
We
bad.
switch bows.
I don't know what I was thinking.
Okay. There we go. Gotcha. Those morsels smell good.
Gosh, this thing. I'm gonna need another one.
Okay.
So clearly messed up. Because you're distracting me. Alright, sorry about that. And if you don't have enough baking pans, you could bake them and then go back and make more. And you don't have to we'll be going on break, but what you do is after when you're done filling up everything, you put them in the oven and bake for about 20 minutes. And thank you. We'll be back. Hello, welcome back. And our next step is getting the icing ready, and I'm gonna attempt to teach my mom. So let's see how that happens. So, Mama, what you're gonna do is put your piping bag into the cup because that's the most easiest. And then you're gonna take your spoon. So take your spoon.
Can I like lay this down on my cup?
Yeah, you can. You're really working.
Would it be easier?
Yes.
Anyway.
spin.
All right.
And then take your spoon and put the icing in there. And I'm gonna do a tie-dye color. As much as you want. Oh, put a little more in there.
Okay. More?
Yeah, a little more.
A little bit more.
Yep, and that's all.
Okay.
Very quick.
I did it.
And then now, you're just gonna take your piping bag and pull it up. And you're gonna push it down. So it will go down there.
Oh, okay.
So it wants to go down there.
He's getting stubborn.
And then you did it. So
Yay, I did it.
you're gonna take another piping bag. So lay that one down.
Oh.
And then all you have to do is just cut the bottom off, but we're not ready for that step yet.
Okay.
So get one of them. And you're gonna do white next. You do the same thing like you did last time.
Okay. This is my spoon.
Yep. And put white in there.
What are you doing?
I am making a tie-dye one, so when it comes out, it's going to come out both colors.
Oh, that's gonna be cool. I think I got some pink.
Oh, that's alright. We're probably going to need
some more.
more. That'll be all for my tie-dye one.
Any more? Probably a little bit.
Maybe a little bit. I'm going to go up with mine. And then you see how it's coordinating.
Oh, cool.
Well, it doesn't want it to go down.
It totally doesn't. It's been stubborn today.
And then lay that one.
Is that right?
Yep.
Yay!
And then take the other one. Let's check on cupcakes. Still looking good.
Smell good.
I'll do another.
Okay.
And now,
What are you doing in that one?
should I be tie-dye? Yeah.
I don't know.
I'll do some tie-dye a little bit. I'll make it work. Alright, and if you really want to know how to make a tie-dye one, I'll tell you again. So put the white in there. And we can put some pink in there to coordinate it. Stick it down in there. I mean, mix it up. Make it more pink. Make it the color pinks. And that is all. What's next? Then you cut it like that. And it's going to scoot down.
Oh, there it goes. That's why I didn't want to come down.
So you try to do it, Mama.
Me?
Okay. What you have to do is just do cut, it'll come out.
Just cut the little tip off.
Yeah.
Right there.
Yeah.
Gotta erase that.
Be careful.
There you
Oh, it comes out slow. I thought it was going to come out shooting out.
I thought it was too.
Alright, do that.
Damn. There it
There you
is. Yeah.
And that's how you pipe icing. Okay, the final step would be icing in your cupcakes, and I'm going to demonstrate to you how to ice in your cupcakes. So you're going to take the piping bag and just press down and do that. All you have to do is just add a little bit of pressure to make it swirly. And we're going to set that aside. And we can get a different piping bag. Yeah. And then keep icing. And we could do some in white. Alright, and the last two, I'm going to be using purple because it represents Domestic Violence Awareness Month. And you can just put it on there. And that's high five, and you could add some sprinkles to it, to like the ones that don't have much color, or if you want to do pink over pink. And that's all. Thank you.